on, guys? So we are here at Gainesville for Test and Tune. We got Veronica back out here. The reason why is because during sick week we had a little bit of an issue with the clutch, as you've seen in Orlando. So we're going to go ahead and try and get Veronica on the track and see if we can actually get that clutch fixed. Whether it's going to be we overheated the clutch, whatever the case may be, we're going to find out tonight. Whether McLeod's going to have to go back and rebuild this clutch and figure out what actually happened with it, but we're going to test it out, see if we can actually get this clutch good to go. If we can get it good to go, then we can actually get it for future track events, and we don't have to really worry about it. So we're going to get her loaded up. We're already here in Gainesville. We're going to get everything teched in, good to go. Once we get done with tech in, we're going to go ahead and head over to get in the lanes, get those things tested, because we only have a few hours here, so we're going to see what we can do with it. So stay tuned, enjoy the test session. as you see in the video, 3 times went down the track. And all 3 times we spun. Gainesville, I don't know what you got to do, but you got to get your track prep good to go. It is terrible. Every single time that we come to this racetrack, whether it be sick week, whether it be test and tune, whatever the case may be, I don't know what it is with y'all's track prep, but y'all do not prep y'all's track at all. It seems like y'all don't even care. We have been going down that track all week last week and today, and it seems like every single person that went down the track, whether it be last week or this week, has spun. Also as well, we changed the tire pressure all 3 times. The first time we did 18 PSI, we left at 5,000 RPMs. That was a really good go. Second time, we dropped the tire pressure even lower to about 16 PSI and still left at 5,000 to see if it actually spin. Went about, I don't know, 10 feet, was hooked up, and then all of a sudden spun again. And then third time, since we spun twice, I was like, you know what, let's drop tire pressure down. We dropped it down to 14 PSI and then left at 4,000 RPM, still spun. So it's something to do with track prep. It is what it is. It's fun. So y'all need to get it together. We're going to get this car together. I may not come back to this racetrack again just for the fact that they can't prep a track. I'd much rather go down to Bradenton, where I know that track prep is good to go, being as we got Veronica in the 10s, or we're going to get close to the 10s. So this will probably be the last time we actually come to Gainesville. We'll actually go down to Bradenton, where I know they can actually prep a track, either there or Orlando. But we're gonna figure it out. But as you can tell, spun all 3 times, got down the track. Seems like the clutch is actually doing pretty well, so we aren't having any issues with the clutch. So I may end up taking the transmission out, checking the clutch, making sure the clutch is still good to go. If it is, then we're going to put it right back in. If not, I'm going to send it out to McLeod. I still may just send it out to McLeod just to actually have them look at it and see what's going on with it. But stay tuned, enjoy some more content as I continue to keep making more and more as we go along. But Gainesville, please fix y'all's track. I don't know what you got to do. But anyway, it was a good day. Still enjoyed it. Still got to get in the race car. But y'all have a good one. We'll see you on the next one.